Hello students, welcome to today's lecture on chapter number 1, Introduction to Expository Writing. This chapter is very important for your final term exam, so make sure you understand the definition, concepts and types of writing we will discuss in today's lecture. And let me tell you one thing, at the end of this lecture, you will understand what writing is, the important aspects of writing, the type of writing, the writing process, and last, the structure of expository writing. So these all are the components of first chapter, which we will cover in 2 days. A very short lecture of 8 to 10 minutes. So let's begin with the definition of writing. So as you all know that writing is a process of using letters and symbols to communicate ideas and thoughts in a readable form. So first part of this definition is enough for your exam point of view. And next topic, which is in your chapter number 1, in your BS Nursing second semester expository writing content की अगर हम बात करें तो so these are the aspects of writing, and the first one is purpose, and why do you need to write. So first component of writing is purpose, the reason for writing, and there are multiple reasons for writing. The first one is inform, entertain, persuade, express feelings. And I'm not gonna give the detail of each one because it will take too much time. Only these definitions are enough for your exam point of view. So first one is purpose. Why do we need to write? And I will make the highlights of important points as well. And next one is the audience, like whom the writer is writing and who will be the reader of that content as well. So the group of readers the writer is aimed to write, okay. And the tone is the writer's attitude, everyone knows, and this question is very important for paper point of view as well. And the next one is the voice, the style and the personality of the writer. Like if you are writing a content for the children, so you must have a very polite tone and voice. Content shows the information and ideas presented in the writing. And organization, how your writing is organized. Logical statement of the writing is very important. Whatever you have written, it should be logically connected. Clarity, use easy word to make it understandable for the audience. Coherence shows a logical connection between ideas, okay. And grammar and mechanics, style, the particular way a writer use language. Research and evidence, you have to add specific examples, okay. And moving on, next one, revision and editing is the last phase of your writing, okay. Now next topic, as per your book and your syllabus, is 4 primary types of writing. And as you know, these types are very very important for paper point of view. First one is expository writing. You all know clearly that expository writing means explain or inform the reader about a topic. Descriptive writing, use sensory details to describe a person, place, event, okay. Narrative, you have to tell a story about a character with a plot and setting as well. Persuasive, you have to persuade someone, आपने किसी को convince करना होता है किसी specific viewpoint के हवाले से. Now these are the writing process, or you can say writing steps as well. The first one is pre-writing. The first step of writing is known as pre-writing, as you all know. Drafting is the second step. You write down a rough structure of the content, whatever has come in your mind. Revising, whatever you have done in the drafting phase, you will revise it. And editing as well, you will check the important grammatical spelling mistakes. Publishing, sharing the final work with the reader. So for exam point of view, the question will be write down 4 primary types of writing. So you have to write down these 4 types. If the question is about writing process, then you have to write down these important steps of writing, okay. Now next one is elements of expository writing. Students, make sure if elements of expository writing or elements of writing. सो ये सब में सेम होते हैं. ओके इसमें आपने कंफ्यूज नहीं होना कि अगर आगे क्वेश्चन व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एक्सपोजिटरी राइटिंग तो आपने ये एलिमेंट्स लिखने हैं. अगर हो व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ राइटिंग तो आपने उसके अंदर भी आप ये पॉइंट्स ऐड करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज द थीसिस स्टेटमेंट. Okay, it is known as the central idea of the writing. You all know it. Introduction, present the topic and background information. Body paragraph is very important, and it starts with the topic sentence. Okay, and next one, the conclusion is the last paragraph of your writing is the conclusion one. Here elements of expository writing में जो चीज़ important है logical organization होना चाहिए इसको. Okay, and evidence and examples. Whatever you are presenting in your writing, you must have evidence regarding that topic as well. And format of expository writing, again elements of expository writing and format of expository writing. So it has three basic parts, as you can clearly see written in front of you. Introduction. Introduction will be a hook statement, an eye-catching statement, background information, and thesis statement का एक paragraph बन जाएगा. The next part is the body paragraph. Body paragraph can be 1 and 2 and 3 as well, depend upon the essay length, you can say. It starts with the topic sentence. Topic sentence means you can say the first line of each paragraph is known as a topic sentence. Supporting evidence, you have to add some personal examples, explanation, and linking sentence as well. Conclusion is the last paragraph. So now that is almost every question which comes in your chapter number 1. So only you have to go through these definitions and आपने इनके जो main points हैं उनको memorize करना है. And there are possible exam question you can answer very easily at the end of this lecture. Defined writing. Okay, as you all know, like we have just completed the whole presentation, and if the questions come from these slides, then you can easily have to go through all these important questions which are in front of you. Okay, so you can have a very quick look at the questions. Defined writing. Okay, writing is a process to communicate ideas. Okay, and what is expository writing? You have to explain a process, explain the aspects of writing we have just discussed with you students, and describe the 4 types of writing. You all know there are 4 types of writing. We have just discussed these types as well. Explain the steps in the writing process and what are the elements of expository writing. Explain the format of expository. For paper point of view, I would like to highlight those questions which are very important. First, definition of expository writing is very important, and aspects of writing is important for objective point of view, and these 2 are very important for short essay questions for your exam point of view. And that's all for today's lecture on introduction to expository writing, and make sure you revise these concepts carefully before your exam. And if you have any question regarding chapter number 1, you can write down in the comment section as well. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next lecture.